In this Google Sheets tutorial, I'm going to show you how to expand your tables the smart way. So if you're still getting used to using the pre-built table here in Google Sheets, here's how you can adjust your table range, whether that's adding a few more columns or a few more rows. Here's the easy way you can do it. Now, before we proceed to that, if you need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you can check out. Going back to our example, I have a produce table right here. Let's say I want to add additional 3 columns right here and a few more rows at the bottom. The smart way to do that would be to go to your table menu right here. So we have our produce, which is our table name, and next to that would be our drop-down, which will say table menu. If you click on that, here we have our options, and one of those would be your adjust table range right here in our second column. Click on that, and here we have it. Here we can enter the new range for our table. So if I wanted to add just a few more columns to this data range, what I'm going to do is to just change this letter right here, which would refer to my columns. So right now we are on column D. So if I were to add 3 more columns, so that's going to be E, F, G. There we go. We're going to change column D to column G. There you have it. If I click on OK right now, here you will see that I've added 3 more columns to my table. So of course these are empty columns which I can fill out later. So that's for our columns. Let's try out with our rows. So go back to your table menu at the top right here. Select Adjust Table Range. And this time we have our number reference right here, which would refer to our rows. So our data range right now ends on row 14. If I were to add 3 more rows to this table, I'm going to change that to row 17 right here. So 15, 16, 17. Change 14 to 17. Click on OK, and there you have it. 3 more rows added to the bottom of your table. And finally, of course, if we wanted to add both columns and rows at the same time, just go back to your table menu, adjust table range, and change both column and row references right here. So instead of D, we will have G, and instead of 14, we're going to have 17, adding 3 columns and 3 rows to the entire table. Click on OK, and here we have it. We have 3 more columns to the right and 3 more rows to the bottom. And that's the smartest way that you can expand your tables right here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.